Boom! Paris Rome electric kettle. What's in the box? Boom! Boom! Use your manual. Boom! There's the stainless steel electric kettle right here from Paris Rome. Woo! Boom! 1.7 liter capacity. Boom! Let's go. Wow! This thing is solid. It's made of 3 or 4 stainless steel. Any of the plastic part is made of BPA-free plastic. Sweet. This thing right here. You got the lid over here. Open it. Oh wow! The lid right there is smooth. I like it. Smooth lid right there. And see-through right here so you can see the water level. And you have the mass fill line on top over there. Sweet! And this is where it connects to the plate so that it can transfer electricity and get this thing hot. Let's go. This thing has 6 different temperature. It has precise temperature setting so you can dial in the temperature exactly the way you want it. For hot coffee, ramen, tea, whatever temperature you want, this thing can get you there right here. Inside the box, boom, boom. Oh, nice. This is where the cable comes out right here. And then you plug this into your wall. This thing uses 1500 watts. It heats up very fast. 1500 watt electric heating kettle. Open this up right here, plug this into your outlet, and then this thing simply sits on top, and then it gets warm. You lift it up, you use it, put it back here, and that's when the heat transfer happens. You can rotate this 360 degree right here. Sweet! I like that flexibility right here. Simple, easy electric kettle from Paris Rome. This right here is the control where you can set the temperature, and it's a touch control. It's a very smooth touch control right here. Actually, we can turn it on and show you guys the touch control. These are touch control right here. You can start and stop. You can set 6 different temperature. Boom, easy touch control, and you got a nice blue light right here, and you can see the water level right there. Let's get some nice hot water right here. This is the Paris Rome electric kettle 1.7 liter cordless hot water boiler heater right here. Oh yeah.